This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Make sure that the headlight switch and the ignition switch are both turned off. Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. For the replacement of the right-hand side headlight bulb, disconnect the electrical connector from the headlight. Remove the rubber weather seal from the headlight housing. Before removing the bulb, note how the 3 metal tabs on the bulb mounting flange are aligned with their respective slots in the headlight mounting base. Disengage the headlight bulb retaining wire. Remove the bulb from the headlight housing. Without touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare fingers, insert the bulb into the headlight assembly. Make sure that the 3 metal tabs on the bulb are aligned and that the bulb mounting flange is fully seated against the base. Swing the bulb retainer wire back into place and engage the end with its slot. Install the rubber weather seal onto the back of the headlight assembly. Connect the electrical connector to the bulb. If you're going to replace the left hand or driver's side headlight bulb, remove the power steering reservoir from its mounting bracket by pulling it straight up. Then set it aside, but do not disconnect any power steering hoses. The bulb replacement procedure for the left side bulb is identical to the procedure for the right side bulb. Slide the power steering reservoir securely on to the mounting bracket.